We have been getting to know FFAers across the country, and this week we are meeting the president of Nebraska FFA, Ellie Wanek of Aurora, Nebraska. Ellie, what are you excited about in this year ahead?
This year, I'm super duper excited to start our chapter visits with chapters all across Nebraska. We actually recently just broke 11,000 members, and I'm going to be spending my whole next semester visiting chapters all around the state. So I'm super pumped for that.
That is a lot of road miles. Ellie, what are you excited about in working with the chapters? What is it that makes it fun?
I think it's really fun because my officer team and I got to write the workshops that we're actually sitting in the classroom and teaching the students, along with the teachers are learning with their students as well. So we get to spend a whole day with brand new schools, brand new people that we've never met, teaching exactly what we wrote and what we feel is important for our young FFA members to learn. So I think it's going to be super cool to put my thoughts and my hopes for our FFA future into action in the classroom with the students and teachers.
That is fantastic. Building curriculum to shape young minds. Ellie, what was it that got you involved in FFA in the first place?
Right, so I've always been so involved at my school. I went to a pretty small school, so it was kind of expected that you were in everything. And my dad and brother were both in FFA in high school. My dad was the president of his chapter. He was also actually the president of Aurora, and so was I. And then I decided to keep pushing forward as my advisors were encouraging me to run for state office. And eventually I decided that I should just go on an interview, and then if I was going to get the position, I would get to go to UNL, which was one of my dream schools. And on April 10th last year, they announced me as the state president, and then my dreams just came true, and now I'm living out my best life here in Nebraska, teaching all the FFA members.
That's fantastic. At the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, what are you studying?
Currently, I am majoring in animal science with a minor in entrepreneurship. Because of my hopes and dreams someday, I hope to create some kind of product to help research with beef cattle and their reproduction and genetics.
Fantastic. We wish you the best of luck. This was Ellie Wanek, the Nebraska FFA State President.